It took a Virginia Beach jury roughly 2 hours to reach a guilty verdict against Nathan Poole. He's now convicted of driving while under the influence of marijuana.
Poole hit 2 women in their 70s with his pickup truck at Town Center and killed one of them. Angelique Arintok reports on the precedent that this case could set in Virginia.
Nearly 2 years after the crash at Virginia Beach Town Center, a jury found the driver, Nathan Poole, guilty on charges of DUI, DUI maiming, and involuntary manslaughter DUI. The victim's family calls this conviction a relief.
We can actually get some rest now, I think, and it's important that the rest of society understand that you just can't smoke marijuana and drive a car.
26-year-old Nathan Poole hit cousins Rosa Blanco and Concepcion Blanco at a crosswalk with his pickup truck in August 2022. Rosa died at the scene. Concepcion suffered severe injuries. She survived, even taking the stand earlier this week. Because there's no presumption or standard like there is for alcohol in Virginia, the key question jurors answered is whether marijuana impaired Poole at the time of the crash.
This will probably be a case that people are talking about for a very long time.
Prosecutors called witnesses like a master police officer. She testified about Poole smelling like burnt marijuana, having bloodshot eyes, and struggling with some of the field sobriety tests. Jurors heard the same officer say in court Poole changed stories about when he last smoked weed.
Elated with the outcome, that they understood how important this was, and finding them guilty can hopefully give the family some justice and closure, especially during Victim Rights Week.
Defense attorneys worked to discredit the master police officer's testimony and focused on areas of the field sobriety test their client did well in. They stressed Poole's cooperation at the scene, arguing this was an accident and wasn't because of marijuana.
There's not a clear line for a jury. It comes down to observations, and it's in the jury's hands.
The jury ultimately decided to convict. As for whether Poole's legal team will file an appeal, they say they'll explore their options. By the way, Poole's family did not want to comment. In Virginia Beach, Angelique Arintok, 13 News Now.
Poole's sentencing is set for August. His 2 felonies carry a max of 10 years each, and he faces up to 12 months for the misdemeanor DUI.